it runs the depths unknown. As we delve deeper where love has grown, we swim deeper and deeper, cresting waves they crash against us, crashing rhythms, loving us. We lose ourselves within the rush. This moment will never perish. My fingers trace the curve of your heel. A wave shivers down your salt water mist. Surround us and tossing sedative roses. A melody passion surrounds us as we dance in silver moonlit, our hearts beating with the sea. This ecstatic symphony gleams so clearly, sweet, sincere. Beneath the moonlight we stand alone amidst the rush of water, crashing waves rise and fall. Our bodies sway with them all, ebb and flow. Your touch, my heart, it runs the depths unknown as we delve deeper. Where love has grown, we swim deeper and deeper. Cresting waves, they crash against. My fingers trace the curve of your hip. A wave shivers down your lips. The salt water mist surround us, enticing seductive lushness. The melody passion flow around us as we dance in silver moonlit, our hearts beating with the sea. A symphony of we hear so clearly, the sweet, sincerely. Cresting waves they crash us, embracing passions, love they caress. We lose ourselves within the rush. In this moment